Unit 5, Day 2 homework tutorial. Today we talked about inequalities in one triangle. You got to remember the longest side of the triangle will be opposite the largest angle. And the shortest side of the triangle will be opposite the smallest angle. So for this first section, it wants us to list the angles and sides in order from smallest to largest. So let's start with the angles. Again, we're going from smallest to largest. So the shortest side is side PR. So across from PR, you're going to find angle Q. So that is the smallest angle. Then the next shortest side is RQ. Across from it, you're going to find angle P. And that leaves angle R as the largest angle. So again, it also wants us to list the sides, which I kind of done and at the same time, but here we go. Smallest side is PR, obviously. Then it's followed by RQ, and lastly PQ. Make sure you use the proper notation when naming angles and sides. Alright, so on the next one, number 3, the smallest angle would be C because it's across from the smallest side, followed by angle B because it's across from the next smallest side, and lastly it would be angle A. So the sides in order would be AB, AC, and BC. Number 5. The smallest angle would be angle B because it's across from the shortest side. The next smallest angle is angle C, and the last one would be angle A. So the smallest side is AC. Next one would be AB, followed by BC. Number 7, smallest angle would be angle S. Then it would be angle U. Followed by angle T. So the shortest side, UT, then ST, lastly SU. And number 9, the smallest angle would be angle T. Next smallest would be angle R. And the last one would be angle S. So the shortest side is RS. Next shortest is TS. And the last one is TR. You should kind of see a pattern here. Notice whatever angle it is, that letter is not mentioned in the side. So that should be a clue as to whether or not you're doing it correctly. Because again, the point that represents the angle should not be included in the side name. FYI. Don't know if you picked up on that pattern. Number 11 would like for us to list the angles and sides in order from largest to smallest. So I'm given the sides again. So the largest angle would be angle P because it's across from the largest side. Again, we're doing it from largest to smallest. Followed by angle R. And then it would be angle Q. So the sides in order would be RQ, PQ, and RP. On number 13, largest angle would be angle G. Then the next one is H. And then lastly, angle F. So that means side FH is the largest, followed by GF, and then HG. Number 15, largest angle would be angle Z, followed by angle Y, and then angle X. Longest side is XY. Next, XZ, and then ZY. Number 17 wants us to list the sides of triangle ABC in order from shortest to longest. And then they give us algebraic expressions to represent the angles. So first things first, let's draw a triangle. All right, and then label the sides. A, B, C, and insert the algebraic expressions in the appropriate corners. So 5x plus 2, 6x minus 10, and x plus 20. Now, first things first, we got to find x by using the um, sum of the interior angles theorem, which says the sum of all the interior angles adds up to 180. So that means the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C would equal 180. So now substitute the algebraic expressions. So we'll have 5x plus 2 plus 6x minus 10 plus x plus 20 equals 180. Now combine all of our x's. 5x and 6x is 11x plus x, 12x. Then our constants, 2 minus 10 is negative 8, plus 20 is plus 12. Carry down the equal sign and the 180. So subtract 12 from both sides, you would have 12x equals 168. And now we divide both sides by 12. Handy dandy calculator says 168 divided by 12 is 14. So x equals 14. Now that I know what x is, I can substitute it back in. So 5 times 14 plus 2, 6 times 14 minus 10, and then 14 plus 20. That one's an easy one, 34. All right, let's get the handy dandy calculator for these others. So, stack it over a little bit. Okay. 5 times 14 plus 2 is 72. And then 6 times 14 minus 10. 74. So 72 and 74. So now that I know the angle measures, I can now list the sides in order from shortest to longest. The smallest angle is angle C, and the side opposite of it would be side AB. So that's the shortest side. The next smallest angle is angle A. Across from angle A, we're going to find BC, and that leaves AC as the longest side. So that is our final answer for number 17. And this concludes your tutorial session. Good luck on working on the even problems.